Hi, welcome to this week's session online. I'm going to do something different for the overview for the week, topic overview for the week, and introduce a little bit of Adobe Connect in here. So I'm going to go ahead and share what's going on this week in week 6. And as you can see, I've gone ahead and put Moodle in. And so week 6 is showing up right here for you guys. Again, week 6, we're dealing with scheduling resources and costs, along with critical chain project management. Some of the topics we're going to cover this week include scheduling resources and Gantt charts, resource problems and how to identify resource conflicts, the use of scheduling heuristics to identify resource conflicts, identifying the scheduled cost basis, and then creating these baseline budgets that you've seen in things like the D&J Plastics project, along with then ultimately creating this time phase budget that shows the baseline spread out, of course, over the course of the project, and then finally introducing the concept of critical chain project management. So all that is going to be part of your required reading, audio, and video. It's not highlighted yet because I have to make that visible for your students. So again, if you're going to look through this week, the topic overview just has the learning objectives now. The video I'm recording now, you can see now, is not part of topic overview, but is actually part of the class week. Following that, we've got these additional resources, resource leveling example problems that you can try out, and then some ways to do this in Microsoft Project. Learning activities and assignments for the week, no discussion forum this week again. Look for one starting next week on critical chain project management. We've got case 2 on the docket that's due at the end of week 6. So the Dropbox is right here, but it's of course not due until the 18th. In addition, on the docket is SCE 7-1, 7-2, your risk management analysis of the D&J Plastics project. You can see that's going to be due week 7. Due what, on the 25th? Is that correct? Yep, 25th. Looking down at my notes over there. Sorry about that. And then other things going on in here. Your new case 3 assignment. Let's go and click on that for some information. So case 3 is a Chapter 8 case. It deals with the Powertrain Limited case that starts on page 291 on the 6th edition of your textbook. So I'm going to have you read the case. I want you to analyze the situation and come up with a plan for Powertrain to respond to their scheduling of resources problem that's described in the case. And then I also want to learn more about how it works for your organization. What's your resource scheduling process, and what are your recommendations? If you had one thing you could change in the way your organization does that now, in light of everything you've learned, what would it be? So that's what the case write-up will be. It's due November 1st, so you got a few weeks still to do it. Plenty of time to ask me questions. So that's the week in a nutshell. If you've got any questions, bring them up during open office hours. Post them to the student discussion forum, where you can post questions about the class, or send me an email, your choice. So we'll see you soon.